Kaina manita wahuruta. Aye guzobe mbadike. Okoko mikomi nota. Many families here cannot even feed well. You may be blaming the leaders. You may not know that demons infested the government houses, even from our Sorok down to state houses. You may not know why. A country as rich as Nigeria is talking about poverty. Borrowing money. One of the richest countries in the whole world is Nigeria. A country that has granite, coal, metallic minerals, copper, iron ore, gold inclusive. Don't even just mention crude oil. A country that has a fertile ground for palm oil production. Do you know 1 barrel of palm oil is more expensive than 1 barrel of crude oil? Look at our forests everywhere. Nothing. We need deliverance from everywhere. You enter a keke. You may be unfortunate to enter a keke that the driver is a kidnapper. Before you know it, he says he's pressed, he wants to ease. And he will take you to where other members are. That is the end. The keke man is the president in his keke. Look at our highways. From Enugu to Ogu, that might have taken you 20-something minutes, will now take you some hours. You will be embarrassed from one checkpoint to the other. Unnecessary embarrassment. Each of these checkpoints, there is a president there. Go to the market. People will have expired products that will change the date and sell it. The marketer is the president there. There are some marriages that have become Senate houses and House of Reps. What can I tell you? Who get Sheba Aloituku? Daughter Poro. He had a horse band, and I go band in the family. Oh, you want to see here no tara? Horse in a band. Oku no car. Mother go chaku go all. How can you explain it? We are living in plenty, yet we lack everything. Then you visit the hospital. How many hospitals have facilities? Doctors are not well paid. Nurses are just suffering unnecessarily. Who are you to blame? In some government hospitals, some doctors are there stealing the equipment meant for the public hospitals to equip their own private hospitals. Who are you going to blame? The corruption is integral. So we need deliverance everywhere. Enter the classroom. In the university, even secondary school, if you have to pass some exams, you have to do something for the teacher. Either certain or female ones you sleep with, or you fail. They don't even hide such shameful things anymore. Or you'll be initiated in their cult. Options. Somebody will come out from the school with first class. Ask him to defend that course. And tomorrow the person becomes a millionaire. And he comes to the church and gives us money. We ask the person to bring your mother. We recognize the mother. Give the mother honor. Neife. Then honor. And the man will be recognized equally. And he kills the anchor, and he film. Deliverance from everywhere. So I when Chineke came. Oh, where Bonite Jeff Tanando to ya? And Samuel, and he gave them deliverance from everywhere. Deliver them from all their enemies. That is our prayer, one of our prayer points now. Kaka irinenu, aichaka n'altar. Ebe ọ bụ na onye iro gị nọkwa, ma nke ama ma a na-amarọ. O nwere ike onye iche na ọ bụ onye ga-abụrụ onye kacha bụrụ onye iro gị. Oke ata afọ ọnụ. Ebe ọ bụ na ha nọkwa zoro bụrụ onye iro. Onye afọ ya bido from A to Z. Anywhere you put. Ka anyị na-amalite ọnwa ọhụrụ taa, anyị eguzobe Mbadike. Okokomikomi n'ọta. Many families here cannot even feed well. Iri nri ọnụ okwu n'ụka. A mother spread on her children, made here and there. All the pano. You are even a cross. Oh, when people cross and a buha. When I hear people say Mbaka should teach them how to carry cross. You should come to me and learn how to carry cross. You are preaching it, I'm carrying it. Do you understand me? You are preaching cross, I'm carrying the cross. Come and learn how to carry cross. Ibu alomburu. Na one day, Ibu wo ya spread there na 1 year. It's only the grace of God. Apart from the grace, how can I go always the neighbor be working? Attack biaram na 1 day, biara again na 10 years. Ijira ka go kwudo. Ebuso guda ebusoro ya no here. So mu abo begu aka na ekwu okwu ika na ekwu ibubero ya. He can on nursery school na cross issue. And you think when you speak such rubbish, you will intimidate me. So I know when you chukwa from everywhere. Eba no yiro gi nokwa. E make ha. We say te altar na marafa. Kulate ba bo ne no. Guzebe wan ton altar ojo. Amoro gi black candle. Shiere ya joite. Tie ite. Akwa udene nita. Holy Ghost, Holy Ghost, Holy Ghost, Holy Ghost.